Peppa's Easter Egg Hunt. Fat Cat Books. Please subscribe and press the bell.
Peppa Pig!
Peppa's Easter Egg Hunt.
It's springtime. Peppa is going to do something very exciting today.
What will it be?
Grandpa Pig made an Easter egg hunt for Peppa and her friends. There are lots of chocolate eggs hidden in the garden, says Grandpa Pig. Are you ready to find them?
Yes, Grandpa Pig!
Everyone says. Off you go then, says Grandpa Pig. But be careful not to step on my plants.
We promise to be really careful, Grandpa,
says Peppa. Peppa soon finds an egg hidden in a plant pot.
I found one!
Shouts Peppa. Rebecca Rabbit finds an egg under a bush.
I found one!
And Freddy Fox finds another in a wheelbarrow.
I found one!
Everyone has a chocolate egg, except for Richard. I wonder where the other eggs are, says Grandpa Pig. Grandpa Pig puts his hat on Richard's head. When he picks it up again, a chocolate egg appears underneath, like magic. Now Richard has an egg too.
So, what do we do now, Grandpa Pig?
Asks Rebecca Rabbit. You eat your egg, of course. Ho, 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 laughs Grandpa Pig. Did you enjoy your Easter egg hunt, children? Asks Granny Pig.
We found all the chocolate eggs, says Peppa. They're in our tummies now,
adds Freddy Fox.
Yummy!
Good, says Granny Pig. Now let's go and see our chickens. Jemima, Sarah and Neville. They have a special surprise.
But they're just boring chickens, Granny, says Peppa. They're not special. Can we eat them?
Asks Freddy Fox. Oh, no, Freddy, laughs Granny Pig. Oh, the eggs are about to hatch. The baby chicks are hatching. There are 3. Now that the chicks have hatched, it really is Easter, says Granny Pig. Peppa and her friends pretend to be baby chicks. They all sing.
I'm a little chick singing cheep, cheep, cheep. I like to pick up food with my beak, beak, beak. I've a fluffy yellow head and some straw for my bed. And I jump up and down singing cheep, cheep, cheep.
It's springtime and Grandpa Pig has organised an Easter egg hunt for Peppa and her friends. Join Peppa, Rebecca Rabbit and Freddy Fox as they search for chocolate eggs and get a springtime surprise.
Get your free Easter activity pack at fatcatbooks.uk.
I also have a complete comprehensive course of phonics programs. If you're left frustrated, looking for a fun and engaging learn-to-read curriculum but feel overwhelmed by the choice, then look no further. My phonics programs have everything you need. I developed my phonics programs over many years of teaching, and I'm excited to bring them to you. All you need to do is follow my systematic, easy-to-follow 4-step lessons. Each lesson builds up on the previous lesson and ensures your child will commit what they've learned to memory. I've taught thousands of kids and they're all happy readers. There's no preparation needed or major lesson planning. It covers everything you need to build up blending and decoding skills. By the end of the programs, your child will be able to read up to 80% of the words they'll encounter at their age. The programs include real teacher videos hosted by me, Teacher Mike. Also original stories, 2 course books filled with colourful fun activities, which are available as printed books, but currently only for selected countries. So check it out, see if it's available where you are. It also includes a huge set of printable flashcards, over 1,300 across the programs, and a virtual teacher. The virtual teacher is a very powerful yet simple tool. Children can learn to sound out and read all the words and the stories with just a press of the button. They can even do the exercises first on the virtual teacher before doing it in the book. This makes it great for the classroom, allowing activities to be done as a group. Also, all pronunciations are provided with a video of me saying the word, which makes it much easier for non-native speakers to learn how to say the word, as they can visually see how it's formed. The virtual teacher also includes fun, colourful games to make learning super fun. It runs on PowerPoint, so no installation is required, no internet is required, you can learn anytime, anywhere. So, you don't need any experience or need to do any major preparation. You don't need to install anything or log in every time you want to use it. It's an effortless program guaranteed to get your child reading. So check it out now at fatcatbooks.uk, or if you have further questions, you can contact me with the links in the description. Goodbye, see you next time.
Yellow and blue, make it a split, split, split. Then I'll dance just like a bunny. Wiggle my nose up, so funny. Hop, hop, hop.